We're here at Spellman HV celebrating the installation of workplace charging for their employees that will be offered free of charge.
We are having a ride and drive event where we're promoting not only electric vehicles but also the charging stations that we recently installed and have made available to our employees.
I've been here for 15 years, but in some ways I also grew up here. My grandfather was the founder of Spellman High Voltage. This really is a continuation of his legacy, of his curiosity about new technology and how it can benefit the world.
Our hope is that this will encourage our employees to consider electric vehicles or possibly plug-in hybrids as an option, thereby reducing the carbon footprint of the commute.
We're committed to fighting pollution and global warming by minimizing our carbon footprint and mitigating the environmental impact of our operations, products, and services.
Drive Electric Long Island is pleased to recognize Spellman HV today as a leader in promoting sustainability and all forms of sustainable transportation on Long Island.
Spellman doesn't just talk about sustainability, but we're actually rolling up our sleeves and doing something about it.
I would also like to congratulate Spellman HV for recently achieving certification as an EVAL workplace, which stands for Electric Vehicle Adoption Leadership, the first on Long Island to achieve this recognition.
It is incredibly meaningful for us to be the first recipients of this award.
I wish that we were the 100th. I wish we weren't the first. We need a lot of companies to take up this challenge and to move forward with this.
The impact is real. So let's plug in, charge up, and keep moving forward together for our people, our company, and the planet.
Everyone?